Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you all safety features. MITSUBISHI Grandis has all set of safety features we can find in other modern cars. Firstly, take a look left side behind the steering wheel. Right here we cut the panel, thanks to which we can quickly enable or disable all safety settings. Next, we've got start-stop function, cruise control, and speed limiter. Take a look at the screen display. Right here, if we go to driving assistance, my settings, we can find overspeed sound warning, speed limit change alert, lane keeping assist, dashed line intervention, departure vibration, emergency lane keeping assist, and driver attention monitor. Also, we can find here traction control, active braking settings. The car is also equipped with parking sensors, front, side, also rear cross traffic alert, rear active emergency braking, and occupant safe exit assist. In comfort features, we can set up things like display risky areas, adjust following distance, sailing, and eco-predictive assistant. Except all the safety features, the car is also equipped with parking brake, auto hold function, child lock for doors and windows, and multiple airbags. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.